Hi, Kevin Thailand here. It's so hot, it really is. Anyway, today I want to show you more of Jomtien Pattaya beach. I came down here the other day and I have been neglecting it a little bit. So much going on in Pattaya, and one of the things I've noticed straight away, they're rebuilding all the beach line. It's so unbelievable here at the moment. They're almost making it 5-star here. Let me just quickly show you. This work along the beach, when I was in Spain we called it the Paseo, is going all the way along. That they are spending, I suppose, whether it's the actual government or tourist board, I don't know how much. I suppose in baht, probably billions. The properties here are all amazing. They really are. Yet it would be cheaper here to rent, very cheap rents. If you're looking to come out long-term rents, you can pick up some very nice apartments cheaper than Pattaya. I can't say how much cheaper. Everything's the same. You've got to be here and find it because things go so quickly. But I've seen many properties here, 10,000 baht a month, long term, £200 a month. I saw one for 8,000 baht for a month. All based on 12-month contracts, of course. But if you look in the low season, say March onwards, you could probably negotiate a 6-month contract for the same money. Everyone's trying to rent. There are a lot of properties, but it's an excellent place to be. Looking at it more, I love where I am now, but it's only a baht bus, 10 baht from here, down to the Pattaya Central, and they run 24 hours. So you've got no problem. There's lots of nightlife and restaurants, bars here that you could nicely spend any evening here. I did show you the beer garden there in Second Road with the night market, the food market. You can eat there cheap. There's also a night food market and market in the central of Pattaya, Jomtien Beach Road. So you haven't even got to venture out to Second Road. You can stay on the beach and eat, drink, be merry. There's a lot to see and to do living in Jomtien. If you want a nutty night out, bus 10 baht, done. Later on, I'm going to come back in the evening and show you the night food market, night market. and have something to eat there, show you the food. But Jomtien really does have a lot to offer. But the beaches are gorgeous here, wide. More islands to look out at. Nicer restaurants. As a proper night out for a meal. There's some beautiful restaurants along here. It's about 34 degrees today, and walking about, it's been very difficult going out. If it hasn't been raining, we've had some big storms the last 4 days. If it's not been raining, it's been too hot. It's been really weird. But if you, here's your beaches here at Jomtien. Goes all the way, right the way round. Yeah, I have been neglecting Jomtien, I really have. Which is good, because now I've popped up and seen what's going on in the last while. It's really opened my eyes to it. Anyway, I'll get back in the car, we'll have a ride along. A slow ride, I'll show you how far they've got with the works. We're having a slow ride along the beachfront. And all the way along that they're refurbishing, renovating, making new, cheeky bastard, making new offices, I believe for tourist police and regular police. But they are going all the way along the Jomtien Pattaya beachfront. We can't really show it properly because there's so many cars parked. There'll be gaps where you can see they're work in progress, repaving, reslabbing, planting all new palm trees. Beaches are very clean. So they have been working on the beaches also. Not the bitches, the beaches. Get it right. What's on offer there? So we'll see you tonight. I'm going to leave it here. It's difficult to see, but they are, as far as we've driven, they are still renovating here. It is going all the way along. So we'll see you this evening. Right, we've come down to the TT money exchange before I pop over and have a coffee. And today's currencies are hope you can see that okay. These are today's currencies, Sunday the 22nd of May. We're back again. We're back at Jomtien in the centre of Beach Road, and we're at the night food market where the food here is incredible, absolutely delicious, and there really is a choice of absolutely everything you could wish for. 60 baht fish and chips, not many chips, but hey, the fish looks good. Lots of fish. Lots of Thai stuff. Well, I suppose it would have, yeah. 150 baht for a chicken. Oh, mate. Well, it's good 150 baht, isn't it?
It's for nothing, isn't it?
For nothing. So many people come here. There's so much of this pork, spare ribs and I don't know what I put, like a sirloin porks. So inexpensive all the way along, and it goes, literally goes on and on and on, all of it, and so cheap. And this is central, literally central along the beach road. I shouldn't think the restaurants here are doing not too well. Not if you can come here and get anything you want, very inexpensive. Here, all farang. And then you come out of the food part straight in clothing, t-shirts, beachwear, hats. Where at? There's some nice ones actually. But it's a very big market, clothes, food, everything, absolutely all sorts. Anyway, so that's Jomtien. So much happening here now, being totally renovated all the way through the beach road, all the paseo, the walkway. So much going on, billions of baht being spent renovating and literally making it a place worth being again. So once again an up and coming again area. It was up and coming. They let it go. They're spending billions of baht and making it back again. Anyway, before I drone on, if you like my little vlog, give me a thumbs up, a like. Please share, and let me know what you think and your experiences yourself of Jomtien. Maybe you've not been here for years and can't believe how much it's being renovated. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll get off. I'll grab some of that food. Thanks a lot. Good night. Bye bye.